What's up? We are back with another baby video. So this time, obviously, we are gonna do the opening of this Magic Baby Bullet. I have yet to use it with Bryce, but I'm gonna open it up today. I'm gonna see everything that it brings inside the box, and I'm gonna explain to you guys piece by piece what everything is for. Now, the reason why we haven't started using this with Bryce yet was because we're kind of waiting for him to get a little bigger. He's gonna be a year old in like 2 weeks, and we just wanted to wait a little and not experiment so much with foods. We did find out that he does have a food allergy a little while ago, so he is allergic to eggs from what we know. So we've been trying to stay away from anything that contains eggs inside of it, yogurts and stuff like that. So we were trying to give it a little bit before we started playing around with different foods and everything. All right, so as soon as we open the box, we're gonna have this booklet here. This booklet, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna have information on what everything in the box is. Oh good, it has recipes as well. It gives you ideas on what to use, what foods you can make. Pretty cool. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have the spatula for easy scooping. Pretty neat. Looks like your normal spatula that you use to bake. So that's pretty nice. The material industry seems pretty good. Okay. Next, we're gonna have my favorite thing on here that I actually wanted to see was the Easy Pop patch tray. So these things are really cool. I have seen videos on these before, and these are very, very cool. So with this tray, you'll be able to make your foods, put them in there, whether it be some fruit mix or something like that, put it in there, you top it up with the lid, you put it in the freezer, let it freeze for, an hour or two, and then they're silicone, so it's gonna be very, very easy to pop these things out. You're gonna squeeze at the end, it should pop right out, which is really, really cool. And they could have it as a little, ice cream snack or something like that. All right, so next we're gonna have your short cup. This is what's gonna go on top of the power base. You're gonna put it on top. It's gonna spin around. You're gonna see your food mixing in there and everything like that. Then this thing should, comes right out. Put it in there, you pour it in wherever you're gonna put it in, and you're all set with that. So that's the other goodie there. What do we have next in here? In here, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the power base. Nope, I was wrong. These are the tip-proof case. All right, cool. So this is pretty awesome. So, where did I come with this? It just all came apart in there. All right, we just put that there to the side. And we're gonna take all these out. So this tray, as you can see, I'm trying to do this really quick. This tray comes with all these little baby bullets here, super cute. These are basically when you make your mixer in here, you're gonna empty this out and you're gonna pour them in each one of them, fill them up. And the cool thing about this is that they come with a rotating, this lid right here rotates, and you're able to put the date. For example, today is the 2nd. I'm gonna put that, I made it the 2nd. So for example, if I was to make some food today, there is, so for example, trying to autofocus, I'm not sure you can see it because it's clear, but right there you can see the number 2. I'll know that I made the food on the 2nd of May, and I won't have to worry about later on wondering, hey, when did I make this food? Is it old? Is it new? I'm gonna know by the date. That's super cool. I like that a lot. All right, let's see what else is gonna be in the box in here. Okay, so here we have the power base. Pretty cool. This stuff is so awesome. I was like so excited when we got this for the baby shower because it's one of the things that I really wanted. So wait, I'm trying to see. Nope, I'm wrong. It's not it yet. This is gonna be the bigger one. So this was gonna be the this is gonna be the short cup. This is gonna be the bigger one. This is gonna give you the more amount to fill all these little puppies up. Let's see if right here on this side. We got it. We got it. We got it. We have the base, ladies and gentlemen. We can now make our little snacks. So here we go. Put it in. That goes in there. This gets plugged in, and then you're easy to go. All you need to do with this, put the fruits inside, put some pressure down, and then it automatically starts spinning. That's gonna be the coolest thing ever, and then within seconds, you have instant baby food there, and you're gonna be able to store it in here for the next day or two or you could put some in here in the freezer, pop some out tonight, tomorrow, let your baby have some fun with some good frozen foods as well. It's gonna be summertime now, and babies love cold things, especially if they're teething. My baby right now, he's teething, he's scratching his head, he's like all over the place, and anything he gets hands on to put in his mouth, he does it. So ice, anything cold really helps him a lot. So it's gonna be pretty good. That's what's gonna be in the box. Wait, there's one more lid. Oh, okay, well this lid, assuming, screws on here. And it does, on the bag, but whatever. So that was an easy, fast review on the Baby Bullet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing a video maybe this weekend on a few snacks. Matter of fact, yes, I'm gonna do a video and we're gonna do a tasting with the baby. You guys finally get to sit down with the baby here in front of me, and we're gonna have a tasting, see what he likes. There's certain things that he likes more than others. Believe it or not, he's a veggie lover. He prefers veggie over fruit snacks, which is pretty weird, but I'm happy about that. And that's it, guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell so it'll notify you anytime I upload a video. I will have more content up. Now that we're doing all this fun stuff with the baby, I want to be uploading content every week on tasting foods or equipment like this, and even some stuff that I already have in the house with him, some equipment that maybe we liked or we didn't like to use the baby. For those of you who are about to have a baby, this is a good way to know what really works, what's good for you, what's not gonna work for you, and what you're gonna spend your hard-earned money on. Because there's a lot of things out there in the market that people say, oh, you need, and at the end of the day, you really don't need, all right? So once again, thank you. See you guys later.